Good morning. It's 10 a.m. on Wednesday, July 14th, 2021, and we're here at the St. Boniface Hospital Foundation office at C1026-409-A, Winnipeg, Manitoba. We will be drawing the large early bird winner for the 2021 Tri-Hospital Dream program. The winner will have four prize choices: a 2021 Mercedes-Benz E450, plus a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53, plus $10,000 cash, or a 2021 Silverado 2500 HD four-wheel drive, plus a 2022 Jayco Eagle fifth wheel, plus $20,000 cash, or a 2022 Jayco Precept Class A motorhome with two e-bikes, or $200,000 cash. We'll now select the winner of the early bird large prize. And the winner is Melody Barnachuk from West St. Paul, Manitoba. And the winning ticket number is 5013772. Congratulations, Melody. We'll be contacting you shortly. We also will be drawing now the 25 early bird $1,000 cash winners. These will each receive $1,000 cash, and we will draw now. Congratulations to all the $25,000 winners. We will be sending out a letter to each winner, letting them know of their winnings today. We'd like to thank all Manitobans for their support in the 2021 Tri-Hospital Dream Lottery, and good luck in the upcoming main draws and grand prize draws.